Hi boys and girls, we're here today with something super exciting. We're going to be printing 3D face shields for people in the medical profession as well as our first responders. So here we have a picture of what we're going to be making on our 3D printer. And when they're complete, they will also have a plastic shield on the front. Before I get into too much more information, just a giant shout out to everybody on the Uxbridge High School team that has made this possible. We are so appreciative and we're so excited that we're going to be able to help out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our file for our MakerBot replicator that we've been using this year in 6th grade. And you can see that I have it here downloaded on my computer. And quite simply, we're just going to drop it onto our flash drive, which I have opened right here. And now it's on our flash drive, and it's really going to be really simple. All we're going to do is remove our flash drive and take it on over to the printer. Okay, we're going to get ready to start our 3D printer up. We're going to be using this little glue stick, and basically what we're going to do is just apply a little bit of glue to our tray, and this will help us to be able to pop off our filament once it's done a little bit easier. A lot of you that have been working with our 3D printer know that it can get a little bit stuck on there. So we're going to take our flash drive that we saved our file on, and we're going to put it into the port, and we're going to get ready to print. Okay, here we go.